Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box, the technical trader at TechTrader.com. It's Tuesday, August the 6th, and these are the charts of the day. Well, it was a bit of a turnaround Tuesday, but at the end of the day, the markets pulled back pretty hard, and now the futures are lower again tonight, so the direction is still in doubt and actually could be lower. We'll have to just see what the market gives us, right? In front of me, we have a chart on ASTS, which has been a swing and a trade of ours just about every day. It's a really great chart and a great story behind it too. Here's a breakaway gap, a run through the base, a little bit of a 3-day falling wedge on low volume, and off she went. Rising channel, current flag, target 25. Grid dynamics, really good long-term chart, beautiful base pattern. What I'm waiting for is a breakout, but I want this as a swing trade once it gets above the 14.5 area. It's close. If it does that, I'd be looking for 18 and 23 on a swing. And then big, reversal bar today from 684 to 850 and finished there up 144, 20%. Mine was 1.75 million, a lot for that stock. And now we'll be looking at whether or not this stock has enough energy to run up to and test 9.5 and get through it to the 11-12 zone. TGTX, also a big reversal day from a low of 1760, jumping 4 points at 2153. Last 2025 up 304, about 18%. Volume was a hefty 10 million for that stock, very big. When we had it here, it led to higher prices. I believe we're going to retest 23. Beyond that, which is a double, triple top area, your target is 27.8. Cdna, a long-term swing of ours, and a beautiful chart. Big inverse head and shoulders, breakaway gap, beautiful wedge or coil, breakout and flag, run up a spike, retest, and then pop again. Looks like if this gets through 26.50, we're headed to 32. Palantir, big, almost an island reversal after, and a big tail was left yesterday. Plunged it to about 21.30, ripped back to 24 today, jumping all the way to 27.30 before backing off. You can see where this key resists as we get to 27.5. Targets at 29.5 and 31.75, thereabout. YOU imploded in the last couple of days, but reversed big time. On earnings, I believe it exploded from 19.5 to 25 plus. Finished 24.41. It's up 4,483, almost 25% gain on record volume of 6.5 million. This looks like it could go. Next target would be there at 27.5, 28. What a move for Lumn, particularly after hours. Check this out, folks. It went vertical from 4 o'clock when it took a dip to 463 and then reached 9, I think it was 64. Let's see. Yeah, 964 was a high. It's come all the way back down to 680, but it bears watching. Here's your daily chart. Anytime a stock does that, it's extremely overbought. But momentum could carry it a point or 2 or 3 more. So it's something to watch for tomorrow. But I'd be careful in here. This stock might need to consolidate or back off. RXST with a breakaway gap today through declining top signs and moving averages and getting up to secondary resistance before backing off. But then on the day up 765 to 48.43, a gain of nearly 19%. Volume was the biggest on an up day we've seen in a few months. And although there is resistance at 52.75, which is your next target, beyond that I look for 55, 57. And finally, ZAPP, after popping up in a 5-wave move, then is now coiled, and it continues to coil. If you break out of here, we may be headed back to 20 or much higher. That's something to definitely keep your eye on. And this is Harry Boxer wishing you a wonderful evening. And those are your charts of the day at TechTrader.com. Good night.